the name of it?
It's a common silk tree, or
Common silk tree, or yeah.
People call it mimosa.
Mimosa, yeah. It's so sweet.
He's gonna try it.
I'm gonna try it. Kind of like eating hair. But it doesn't have a nasty taste to it at all. It's not.
Is it sweet?
No, no. Well, yeah, now it's coming out. Now it's sweet. Why don't you chew it for a little bit? And it's supposed to make me calm. We'll see. Maybe I'll be doing some yoga later.
Alright, gathered some silk tree. People call it mimosa. Very pretty flower. We're going to put it in a jar. But we're just making sure there's no bugs in there. And if there is, we'll pick it out.
If you don't see them, you'll get them drunk.
But they'll drown. They'll drown. So pretty. So pretty. But after we get them in a jar, we're going to cover it with Mr. Boston vodka. It's 40%. And we're going to let it sit for 6 weeks.
It's only 40% liquid?
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then we'll strain it and put it in a tincture bottle. But there's so many out there. Apparently it's evasive.
Shame is most people just put it on their lawn because they're pretty.
Yep, they're pretty, alright.
Don't really know the benefit of it.
But the benefit is calmness. Very calm. It could be called the happy juice. But if you need a mood stabilizer, here you go. Yeah, right. Now we've got our jar full. And what else do we got here? We got Pinnacle. 40% too. You want to open these jars for me? I'll have Steve open them up. Puts them in the jar. We're going to cover it. Put it in a dark place.
The Pinnacle is 80 proof. Cover the top, not fill the jar.
Right. I think you could actually fill it up to the top.
Up to there.
Yep, there you go.
Obviously, room for expansion.
Oh, now we're gonna cover it and put it in the old pantry. And in 6 weeks, we will strain it. Yeah, tincture bottles. There you go. Have fun.